Alright, today we're going to demonstrate how to apply or put on a BNC screw-on connector on the Siamese cable. The only tool that you really need is a pair of small dikes. First, take your screw-on BNC connector and measure it against the cable. You need this lower part is about the size that you normally will need to cut off. Once you've got your size measured, slowly work your way around the cable, such as this, to cut through the first layer of the cable, which is usually your outer cover. At that point, this cover starts to come off. Slowly need to work your way through it until it comes completely off. Okay, at this point you've already taken off the outer shell. It leaves you the inner shell and the shield at this point. Take your dikes again, go up a little bit above it, right about here. You work your way slowly around that to where it will come off and expose the inner core. Make sure you pull all this shielding away from the inner core. You don't want these two to touch. Once you've got those separated, pull the shielding all the way back. Slowly put the exposed core wire into the middle of this, and you slowly start working your way down. Keep turning it until you feel enough resistance, and check to make sure your middle core has come up through the middle there. You'll see it inside. You have no exposed wiring here at the back. It's a nice solid fit, and that's how you do a simple screw-on BNC connector onto a Siamese cable. If you'd like any other information about some of our products, please go to our website at www.apexcctv.com. Thank you.